Okay, now we talk about cluster ceiling. Now, cluster ceiling, now in order for you to understand cluster ceiling, then we go for cut section. Now, elevation, sorry. So, elevation. So, this is actually a human here. Okay, this is a guy. Okay. Now, the ceiling. Now, just now we know already. So, how actually ceiling is done in actual fact. Okay. So, for example, say in between here, there's one. Say, for example, there's a beam here. There's a beam here. Okay, so then there's a beam here. No, so how I actually do it is basically I would then, for example, there's a beam here 16 inches. Normally I would lower this, I would do the beam like that, and then I would go up again. Okay, and I normally don't do this. I would normally go all the way up like that, cover. Okay, then I will also do this. Okay. For example, I can do this just for the fun of it. Then like that. Okay? Can you roughly gauge it? Can Okay. Then they're talking about here is 10 inches. Here minimum 16 inches. Okay? Oh, sorry. 14. I prefer 16 normally. Okay? Because if you do anything lesser than 16, it looks like a beam. You understand what I mean? So minimum threshold I feel is 16 inches. Then this side here, the gap is 8 inches. Okay, understand? I would prefer 10 inches, but not necessary. You can have 8 inches, 3 inches, whatever inches you want. The more height you create, the more height of perceived value you get. Understand? Understand? So this is what we call it L box, light box. This is what we call it L box. Understand? So this is what we call a light box. This is what we call L box. Okay, now understand? So this is L box, light box. So same thing. Now then, this is the same. This is a replica of the other side. It's the same thing. Okay, 8 inches. Now, assuming that this you have a window. Okay, assuming that you have a window here. Okay, for example, a sliding window. The curtain will be mounted here. Like that. Okay, so that when you have the light, the curtain will look very attractive. So you put the light inside here, and inside here. Okay, you see? So the light then melantun throughout like that. So that is called light throw. Understand? Okay. So that is actually how you actually look at the cluster ceiling design. Okay. So if you translate that into a floor plan, then it will look like this. Okay. For example, this is actually a sliding door. Okay, see? Then we are talking about this is actually a light box. Then you are talking about then this is actually a light box. Okay, then I will do like that. Okay. Oh no, sorry. Let me rephrase that. Sorry, Okay, now it will be like this, okay, and then after that we are talking about this is a sliding door. This box and this box, in actual fact, you will have a box in the center, okay, and then after that you have a light box here, you go like that, okay. This one you have a light box here, you will go like that and like that, okay. So now where is the line? This is how you translate that, okay. So this line is actually this line, okay. So then this light box, okay, this one is actually more a little bit inside here. Okay. Now, this light is translated here. This light is translated here. This light is translated here. This is the problem. Yeah, it's quite technical, but just for your information. Okay. So then this light normally I will write like that. It will shoot the lights here. It will shoot the light here, it will shoot the light here. That is how it looks like. So this one is actually this line, this one in actual fact this line, this one in actual fact this line, this one in actual fact this line. Like that. That is how it looks like on the floor plan. Okay. So then you talk about the distance between the line. For example, here is 20 feet. Here, for example, is 12 feet. So 20 feet. You want to put the line inside here. You divide by 6. Divide by 6 is 3. 3 means to say 1. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh no, sorry. So it's 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Is it? Then the light should be here, 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 and here. Yeah. So that is how actually you do the lighting. Yeah. Get what I mean? So that is how you actually do the planning for the ceiling. Okay? So again, these are the things. Now, some of the things, if for example, I want the Roman classic one, in actual fact, you can actually add what you call classic one. For example, this can be a cornice here. You add a cornice. Then what we call this is a cornice. If you want to add that lah, then the Roman one cornice. Then there's the cornice lah. That's what we call a cornice. Okay. Now, if assuming that you do this one, you add another this one. This is what we call a pelmet. And the bottom one is called pelmet. It's a beading lah, beading pelmet, but it's bottom. Okay. So that is on the. This fold is actually a classic one. Okay, this is a classic one. Okay. Okay. That is on the plaster ceiling. So this is actually the legend or the floor plan. Then this is the elevation. So basically, yeah. So this is actually elevation. This is actually floor plan. Okay, that's it. Okay. So that is on the ceiling part. Any other questions? Okay, very clear.